Welcome to my in-depth review of Doxy.me, a widely used telehealth platform designed to streamline virtual patient consultations. Today, I'll take you through everything you need to know about this platform, from its key features and user interface to the overall experience of managing telemedicine sessions. If you're a healthcare provider exploring telehealth options, you'll want to stick around. First, let's start with the basics. Doxy.me is a browser-based telehealth solution that requires no software installation, making it incredibly easy to get started. It's designed for seamless communication between healthcare professionals and patients, offering features such as secure video and audio calls, screen sharing, and a virtual waiting room. One of its standout features is its compliance with HIPAA, GDPR, and other healthcare regulations, ensuring the safety of sensitive patient data. When you log into Doxy.me, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. Setting up your virtual clinic is straightforward, with options to personalize your waiting room by adding custom messages, images, or videos. You can send secure, one-click invites to patients, eliminating the hassle of managing complex login details or downloads. The video and audio quality on Doxy.me is generally reliable, though the performance may vary depending on your internet connection. It supports HD video calls, which is crucial for clear communication, especially in medical consultations where visual details matter. The platform also includes tools for screen sharing, which is ideal for discussing test results or demonstrating exercises to patients. Doxy.me's pricing model includes a free version, which offers basic features like unlimited video calls and access to the virtual waiting room. For professionals looking for more advanced tools, the paid plans include features like high-definition video, session analytics, and payment collection directly through the platform. This flexibility makes Doxy.me a great choice for individual practitioners, small clinics, and large healthcare organizations alike. Another advantage of Doxy.me is its focus on accessibility and ease of use. Patients don't need to create an account or install any apps. They simply click on a secure link to join the session. This simplicity reduces technical barriers, making it especially helpful for elderly or less tech-savvy patients. However, like any platform, Doxy.me has its limitations. While the free version is a great starting point, some users might find the advanced features in the paid tiers essential, especially for larger practices. Additionally, the platform's reliance on a strong internet connection means that call quality can occasionally be inconsistent in areas with poor connectivity. In conclusion, Doxy.me is a solid telehealth solution that balances simplicity with functionality. It's ideal for healthcare professionals looking for a user-friendly, secure, and accessible way to provide virtual care. Whether you're conducting follow-up visits, managing chronic conditions, or offering mental health services, Doxy.me can streamline your practice. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.